guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will have a makeup look that I've had in mind for a while, and my mom got me this shirt for my birthday, and it has little pink details throughout the flowers on the shirt, even though the shirt is so vibrant and red. The look I want to do was more of a pinkish rose goldy look, and I think it's going to tie in with the little flowers. I hope. If not, I will do another eye look just for this shirt, because the shirt deserves its own eye look. Let's hope the look in my mind works, and without further ado, let's just get started. So I think I want to start with the eyes today for this look. I'm going to start by just doing my brows. So I just did my brows using the Femme Coutour brow gel and the NYX micro brow pencil. And I recently just spruced up my singles collection and added a couple new Colourpop singles to it, so it was a little more, had a little more variety throughout it. And I want to like really play into this. So I'm going to take Early Bird from Makeup Geek and Slim Fit from Colourpop, really tap my brush off, and just start in my crease. And then I'm going to take Sequin from Colourpop, which is a shimmery shade. Just going to take it on my finger and start to work it onto the lid. Once I have that on, I'm just going to go back into my crease shades and just go over the crease again, just because some of that glitter did get up there. And we want to just kind of help it get back to where it belongs. Then I'm going to take a pressed glitter from Colourpop. This one is in the shade Indigo. As you can see, it's super shimmery. We're going to tap this over the lid as well. Go back in the crease once more. Just glitter always likes to get everywhere, I swear. Just gonna try to flick off a few of the extra flecks that went a little too high. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take Facet by Colourpop, and I'm just gonna use this to make a liner. It's not showing up too much with the glitter, so I'm going to go a shade darker. I'm going to take Americano right here by Makeup Geek. Oh yeah, that's showing up way better. And we are just doing a half liner with this. I'm going to wing it out just a little bit towards the end. Then we're going to finish up the eyes after we do the face. So I'm just going to clean up under the eyes a bit. I don't work with glitter very often, mainly because glitter gets everywhere. And you will have it on you for so long. So I'm going to go in with my Flower Beauty In Your Prime primer. One of my favorites. And then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Up to 24-Hour Freshware Foundation. I'll start with one pump on the brush. Actually, let's do 1.5 pumps. I do feel like this foundation is like a little bit too warm for me, but I can usually alter it either with custom drops or by adding on my powder a little bit later, but I will take it down the neck just a bit to help blend it in. Make it look not so crazy. Going with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Okay, I might have put a little too much on. I forgot this was like a full coverage concealer. So let's just stop there. I'm just going to embrace any of the glitters on my face. And then I will powder using the Cover FX Perfect Translucent Setting Powder. Now let's go ahead and finish up the rest of the eyes. Back in to Facet on the same definer brush. And I'm going to take that all along the lower lash line. And I'm going to take Makeup Geek Cocoa Bear and I'm just going to blend that out. I don't know if you guys can see all the glitters on my face, but there is a lot. Let me see if I can show you guys. You see all the glitters that are falling onto my face? This just comes with the territory of glitter. Even though the eyes are super pink, I do feel like they tie into the shirt well, so yay. I'm going to bronze the face with my Milani Baked Bronzer. Just on the cheekbones, along the forehead, and under the jawline. I'm going to skip blush. I'm going to go into the highlighter crown of my Canopy on my big highlighting brush. And just do a subtle little glow. A little glow on the face. And even though I did pink eyes, I kind of want to do like a red berry lip. Let's try the red berry lip and see how it looks. I'm going to go in with e.l.f. Ravishing Rose. Do you guys think it clashes too much, or do you like the super berry lip with like the pink eyes? I'm going to take a little bit of Colourpop FlyFi and just lay it on top, just because this is a little more red in it. And I think the red will tie in with the shirt a little nicer. Yeah, I like that more. I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe setting spray. And while that's sinking in, I'm going to put on my Voluminous Lash Paradise by Loreal. I feel like even though the eyes are bold and the lips are bold, I feel like they go together. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. I like it. And yeah guys, I hope you guys like it too. Here's the finished look. Okay guys, so that completes our video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Comment below for what you guys want to see next time. And until next time, bye! Okay guys, so here is the special announcement that I was really excited to tell you guys about. I recently started a Patreon. So basically, on my Patreon, I'm going to include things like extra tips, both cooking and makeup wise. I'm going to include recipes, some early access to videos, and some bonus videos, and much more. And I'm really truly excited about it. It will no way in any shape or form affect my current YouTube channel. I'll still be posting every Monday and Thursday. This will just be something extra for you guys, and I'm really excited about it. I hope you are too. And if you are, be sure to check out the description box below. I'm going to leave all of the information about it there, as well as here's the actual link for the website here. Again, it'll also be linked below as well. And I will see you guys over there.